What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartels, the editor-in-chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another video review. Today we're taking a look at the Skullcandy Jib Plus Wireless. The Skullcandy Jib Plus Wireless is a complete redesign of the Skullcandy Jib Wireless. Now, Skullcandy has completely redesigned this little guy. Now, it is $19.99, and you're probably spending around $21 if you get it in store. But here's the thing. Look at this. To show you a comparison, I actually brought a pair of wired jibs along for the ride with me. So these are a pair of just, standard wired jib headphones that you can get anywhere. These are the non-mic'd version, okay? And then, of course, they have the mic'd version as well. It's pretty much the same thing with a microphone on it. So, let's talk a little about the specs. So the specs is Bluetooth 5.0. The impedance is 16 ohms at 15%. We have a 9mm driver in there. THZ is 3% at 1 kilohertz. Sound pressure is 95 decibels plus 3 decibels. And the frequency response is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. And she weighs 17 grams. So that is what it is. So as you can see, taking a look around the headphones themselves, on the original jibs, it was actually not really much to it. It was just a standard TPE wire like this, and it connected to the other end. This is more of a neck style like you would see on like the Inked Wireless, the Skullcandy Smokin' Bud 2 wires, and some of the other wireless headphones. However, this one is more flexible, so you can actually put it around your neck or do some other cool things with it. So, as you can see right here, we have both our left and our right side, okay? And the nice thing is they have it on here on the left, okay? Shows it very clearly out there with a little L. So on the left one is where you're going to have all your controls and where you're going to connect everything. Right here we have our plus and minus and a center button, and that's to turn on the headphones by holding it down until you get into pairing mode. Now, on here, okay, one side, okay, the left side of this is going to have your micro USB port, and that does have a flap on there because this little guy is splash resistant. We'll tell you about a little later that this thing is actually more water resistant. And then on the other side, you do get a little LED to indicate when it's either pairing or when it's been connected. You do also get an audible voice tone, which is really nice. And the other side is just a weight with all this other jumble mumble with this little Skullcandy logo on there. So, how do they fit in the ear? Well, on the old ones, and I actually have the current ones, as you can see right here, there is a little flap that helps keep it secured. The cool thing about this, ladies and gentlemen, you should be able to adjust the flap really nicely. Now, I have to say these fit a lot better than the wired jibs. So they hit everything with the hammer. Also, during our testing that I did yesterday, I took these into the shower to simulate the water resistance, okay? They've passed with flying colors. Now, you shouldn't expect this out of $21 headphones. Okay, this type of water resistance should not be type of $21 budget headphones. So, had them in the shower with me, plugged in my ears and everything, listening to music, and guess what? They work just fine. They came out just fine. I'm very, very, very impressed with these. These sound really, really nice. So, let's go ahead and take a look at how it is during the actual thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get into my pocket here, pull out my iPod Touch, and let's go ahead and see how these are. Now, pairing into pairing mode is very easy by holding down that center button, okay? You either hear a voice tone, letting you know it's pairing, or a LED on the right side of the earphones. Now, let's go ahead and connect them, okay? Now, when you do open the iPod and you open your Bluetooth settings in your iPod Touch or whatever Bluetooth or whatever device you're connecting it to, just look for Skullcandy Jib Plus. So let's go ahead and pair these guys. Okay, as you can see right there, it is in pairing mode. You also get a voice and audible tone. Okay, connected. The cool thing I like about this is you also get audible, a voice prompt letting you know it's either been connected or it failed to connect. So we're actually connected by that blue symbol there. And let me show you how good the audio quality is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, okay, I'm gonna go and listen to these for a second. Okay, let's see how good it is. Okay, so as you can see, let me get this off. Okay, now here's the thing. These are super comfy. I was very surprised about these, ladies and gentlemen. They offer great sound quality and they don't break the bank. Now, is there sound bleed? Unfortunately, yes, a very little bit of sound bleed, not that much though. So let's see how this does. These are quite bassy, ladies and gentlemen. For this type of earphones, these are really bassy. So, how do they sound? They sound absolutely amazing. Now, of course, you're not going to get like anything like you would with like Skullcandy sets, methods, or anything like that. But if you're looking for a budget pair of wireless earphones, the Skullcandy Jib Plus is the perfect thing for you. They also have the Skullcandy Jib Active, which is more for the active sports person. But seriously, I'm very impressed. We went from, on the old Skullcandy Jib wireless review, that is almost 50,000 views. Now, if you remember the old wireless ones, they awfully looked very similar to this. They were very not good. The battery life wasn't good. They didn't sound great. They were just, and they had a high failure. They were just all terrible. This, on the other hand, is absolutely amazing. I'm very impressed with Skullcandy. And that's why Skullcandy gets an Editor's Choice Award. That's right. The Skullcandy Jib usually only get, the last one got an awesome product, but this one gets an Editor's Choice. That's a 9 out of 10. However, they will fall out. But the nice thing is, they will fall out sometimes, and you do get that sound bleed, but they really want to thing you can do is you can also actually put comply foam tips on these little guys, and you can really get everything nice and silent. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video review of the Skullcandy Jib Plus wireless earphones. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that dislike button if you disliked it. Hit that like button if you liked it. If you do that, make sure to strangle that subscribe button, slap it in the face, and pow, right in the kisser. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still running that giveaway for that Fortnite Battle Pass. So all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and like this video. At 4,000 subscribers, I'll go ahead and select a winner through random.org, and I will notify that person either through a Discord or whatever, Discord, email, whatever you want to use to contact me, that I'll contact you on, and then I will go ahead and proceed to gift you the Battle Pass. I want to make sure everyone had a rock and roll weekend, or weekend, and I hope everybody is safe and okay from the earthquakes in California. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a great day.